Everybody eating. They act like they've never ate before. Cracks me up. What are you doing? Can't get in there. Alright, let's go. Gotta feed the boys. They're screaming. Jack over there. Alright. I haven't even looked at myself today, so be prepared, people. Woo! There I am. But yeah. Ooh, it's windy, but it's not that cold. But it's nice. So I don't know where I'm looking again. Remember that? I'm learning. So let's go see our animals. I had a rough night. Sometimes I have rough nights sleeping because my brain won't stop. Yeah. And these guys, they act like they're always so hungry too. I see somebody, our neighbor, got him a Christmas tree. I'm not even doing it. They're all eating. Yeah. Alright, I know. I'm going to get y'all's now, okay? I'm going to go get yours. Are you hungry? Stop doing that to him. Be nice. Animals. Yeah. Yeah. I'm one person. Give me time. Alright. It's a pretty day. I thought it was going to be really cold. I got a big old hat on. And now, yeah. My nose is cold, but I had a big old hat on and everything. Gloves. I thought it was going to be so cold, but it's not. Alright. Got to feed everybody, guys. It seems she really doesn't like the alfalfa either. Weird. But she'll eat it eventually. Oops, on you. What's bothering you? She's so pretty. I gotta take this egg in for a break it and then I come back out. Taking the boys their feet and hey to everybody. We go through bales of hay very quickly. I wish I could get the big round bales, but I can't. These are the only way we can get them. Yeah, it's costly. I'm glad when summer comes back around. I'm coming. But yeah. They're waiting for their food. Funny thing is that now that Bonnie's escaping again, I might use that other area again for them. They'll have more space. But then I don't know because they like being by the girls. So, yeah, I don't know. Yours have water in it? No, you gotta get out. There you go. Alright, gotta put the phone down so I can stay. Did you leave me an egg? How'd you like all that rainy weather? I know. Made me sad too because I don't like being stuck inside. Alright, I'm coming in. Yeah, I'm coming in. See if you left me an egg. I can get my glove in there. Look at that water. So, hate that. Alright guys, I'm coming in. After I get the lockdown out of my way. Alright. I didn't know what that was. Alright guys, I'm coming in. Jump. Hello? You have to let me walk. Alright, let's go see. Oh, it smells in here. Holy cow, now there's one in this one. One in that one. None in that one. Let's see the other one. Nope. So I guess they change up once in a while. I don't think there's anything in that one. I don't see anything. One egg. Thanks, guys. Hello. I know I took your egg. Don't be upset. It will go to a special place called my tummy. Oops, I stepped on you. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were that close. Watch out. Excuse me. I got stuff to do. But as I said, thank you. Thank you, guys. Just looking for her egg, honey. It will go into a safe spot in my tummy, guys. I bet you. Alright. Now, try not to break the egg. Put the Fort Knox security back up. Alright. If again. Alright, one hand. I don't even know how to do this. I know if the cat want to get them, they can. Well, I mean, I don't know. It just makes me feel more secure. Can't do that with one hand. Sorry, guys. Enjoy the view of the chicken. Alright, guys. Bye. Thank you. Clean water again. Might have to come up with a solution for to where leaves can't get in it so much. There's some behind me right now. But yeah. So now I have an empty area over here. There's all those cattle panels. So I either take off the cow panels and use them somewhere else, or leave this like it is. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I might take them off the front because I don't think the goats can get over the front, and use those on areas where the fence is going down. Ooh, look at that. And trust me, nobody's drinking that water. There's nobody in here. Been sitting for a couple days. I gotta clean it, empty it. But yeah. Alright. After this, I'm going in and having my coffee. Let's go see if Jack needs anything. Sure his water hasn't frozen. Hi, Jack. What you looking over at me like that? Look at this. Why you gotta make such a mess? That angers me. Huh? Why? Why are you making such a mess? Can't you just eat the stuff? I don't get it. I should make you eat it off the ground before I give you any more. You have to stop this. I ain't itching your butt. You don't deserve a butt itch. Or scratch, whatever you call it. I know I always say it backwards. I have to hear it from the guy. Oh, I can't reach you. I can't fit in there. Oh, Jack. You're so cute. But it's annoying. Cute and annoying. I love you. All right, let me go check your water. Ugh, water. Oh, he needs some water. That one needs to be cleaned again. Never ending water cleaning. I keep holding the thing, see? I gotta learn. Where look, don't look over there. Don't look over there. Don't look over there. Look, I forgot to tell you. No more pool. Lily, I can let you in there if you want. Hmm? You want to go inside? You want to go inside and have some hay? Hmm? Or are you eating it from the side? Can you get it from there? Come on, you want to go in? Hmm? Come on. Hurry. Hurry. All right. Enjoy your time eating all the hay. Yeah. How can I do this with one hand? Let's see. He's like, oh great, now I gotta share my hay with her. Now I gotta share my hay. I know. But guess what? Everybody's gotta share. What are you here? Came out here to get an item that sold. Finally, a sale. All right, I go now. That's weird that the goats, they haven't seen me yet. Let's just see if we see them. Cat's starting to collect. They get fed at 5 o'clock, between 5 and 5:30. If we're late, they act crazy. But yeah. Uh-oh. Puppy. Uh-oh. I always forget about that puppy. See all the cats up there? Crazy. Alright. Oh! Can't have no fighting. Alright. Puppy! Kane! Oh, goodness. Kane! Kane! There he is. I just came out there. Or did I come out the back? No? I came out the front. So how did you get up there when I was... I don't know. I'm getting old. Too old to think. Especially after editing. My brain is like completely shut down. Oh, no, no, no. I won't have that. No digging in the yard. Alright, I'm going to go pull an item. Oh, guys. Alright, let's go see if he left me an egg. No. Oh my god, there's two. Let's see if the other one has any before I grab it. Oh god, sorry, I stepped on you. I got too excited. And none in that one. There's two. The world record. I have to write this down on my calendar. I got two today. Yay! Let's see if this means. Two, guys! You gave me two! Thank you so much! I appreciate it! Thank you, thank you! I hope you give me some colored ones. I don't know. Except one of them are Easter eggs, I think. But I'm not sure which ones. If anybody knows which one of these are Easter eggers, because that's what Tractor Supply said when I bought them as babies. Or like back away from our eggs. I'm getting, uh-oh, he's peeping. Look, where'd my eggs go? Sorry, guys, but I like my eggs and toast. I like bacon too, but I had to buy that at the store. Bye-bye. Hello, guys. Look, he's like watching. Aren't they cute? Let's go see if they have an egg. Literally trying to get the hay from the outside, but I think Fatty's already ate it all. Because that's where he stays the whole time. Look at his head. Look. That's all he does is eat, huh? Come on, Lily. Go in, Lily. Come on. Hurry. Hurry before Jack gets out. Come on. Go eat your hay now. Your girlfriend's back. Yeah. Let's try to lock this. Hello, Jack. I gotta feed everybody. I'm a little late 'cause I sit down and had my coffee for a minute. My goodness. Oh, he messing with you? Give him a hit. Teach him a lesson. No. You know better. All right. I'm gonna feed you guys. Let's go get fed. It makes me mad when he hits on something like that. Leave him alone, fatty. Well, I thought you never get anything. Especially you. Move. Move. Annoying animals. I'm not going to be able to hold the phone and get the hay in there, so I'll be back. I was out here getting ready to go clean Jack's water, and I saw a black tail by the fence, so I'm going to go see what that is. It's a doggy taking a poop. Where'd you come from? Huh? Where you come from? He running. Oh, maybe it's their dog. I didn't know they had a dog. Oh well. Don't poop in my yard. It's like, I have. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it on video because I have nothing to hold my phone. But I scrubbed all, well, I didn't scrub, but I got all the poop off the chicken bed and coop, and I put down Damascus earth, and I fed them. I gave them new water. What else have I done? Oh, and I gave the goats new water. Hello, Jack. And I am about to give Jack and them clean water, and then I'm going to take the girls' goats. Look at that blue bird. And, I lost track of the pretty blue bird. But yeah, I'm going to put the girls up, and then I'm going to let the boys out for a while, because it's been a while since they've been out. And I like to give everybody a little bit of fun to relax and different stuff, huh? Yeah. Always in that hay. Always got that head in that hay. What you looking for? It's a phone. Silly old boy. Alright, I'm gone. Let me see how much. I really gotta probably clean your water. Hose is still in it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah. When he eats a lot of hay, he drinks more. What you want, baby? Come here and tell me. Come on. I came out here to get out of my aggravation. Because the hubby is home because his back hurts. And I'm out here busting my butt, cleaning all these waters, cleaning chicken poop, and feeding everybody, and lifting heavy things, and he's complaining about he's missing 2 socks. What the bleep is going on with that old man? But anyway, alright, but I gotta get y'all some water. You're so sweet. Are you trying to eat my coat? Hmm? What are you doing down there? Or are you just sniffing my goat, huh? You love to be loved on, don't you? I need to pull this back some. There we go. Barry's still trying to get used to this sideways phone thing, but I know it's better to watch. Ooh, I felt something on your ear. Let me see. Dirt. But I know it's easier this way for y'all. I mean, it's better to watch. So I'm trying. So if my hand gets in the way or I don't look the right way, I'm sorry, but I'm still learning. And I'm not some little youngin' that knows how to do all this stuff immediately. Jack, you know why I love animals so much? Because they just never talk back. They never complain about the weirdest things in life. Now he's yelling. I'm filming, fool. Cat's on a bird hunt. And you on me. Hello. I can't get you that close up. What you want? Look at big boy. Look how big he's getting. Cat's getting ready to get a bird. What's up, Ramsey? You're not gonna bump me. Go. Look up in the tree. That's a cat. Stripey. I don't like how Ramsey always so mean to him. Might have to separate them at one time. He's too mean. He ornery. Hello, girls. Why is your nose white? Don't do it. Say no. It's Demiscus Earth. Demiscus, however you say it. Diomescus. Look at this beautiful sunny day. I had to get some hay and stuff last night. And yeah, it affected my... Now I have a cough and a headache. I'm allergic to hay or something because every time I touch it, I get a headache. Hi, guys. Ooh. What you want? I'm going to go see if this basket thing works for Jack that I put up last night. Knowing him, probably not. Hello, guys. So if I cough a lot, I'm sorry. Alright. Hi, Lily. Let me go see. Oh, my Lord. He just busted it through. There's something wrong with this animal. I put it in a net. You're bad. Okay, I hear you. See, I try to put it, so I can see a net, in a net, to see if he would stop wasting it, but he still pulled it down. Yeah, I see you, you pain in my butt. I'm gonna let Lily in there with you. Oh, you're so annoying. Why you gotta be like that? Interesting. Alright, well, that didn't work. Alright, guys, let's go. Lily's waiting too. Lily, I gotta put you up because you only eat the goat's food. Hello, Lily. What would you like to say? Nothing? What would you like to say? Pretty girl. Let's go feed the loud mouth boys. Well, I ate all their eggs, so hopefully they gave me 2 at least today, or more. They're small eggs, so it takes quite a bit to, like, scramble. Like my husband, you can eat 4 of those and still want more. So, yeah. Move. Okay. Yeah. I have to bring in some more hay. Alright, let's go see. My goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all got up there that time. Good job. Alright. Stick, touch my leg. Alright. Ow, just hit my head. Hey, you already did that once to me. You're not pecking my finger again. That hurt. Be nice. No. Get this unhooked. Alright, I will stay in there then. Yeah, it's a purple. See that? I don't know if you can see it. But right in there, she pecked me and almost like, you know, like if you get a hammer, hit your finger on a hammer, it turns purple or black or whatever. So it's doing, that hurts. Their beaks are painful. Alright, let's go see. I don't have thick pants on this time either, so. Ow! Stop! Got my leg. Hurry up and get out of here. Oh my goodness, too. They're so little. Let's see, what else we have in this one? Go away. Why are you pecking me? 2 guys. And I don't have a pocket. Great. Alright. Thanks for the eggs. Stop. You mean. He's a little pecker. I have no place to put my eggs. See if I can put them in my cup. You, sir, or ma'am. I think it's you. Or a pecker. I'm going to get one of those, I think y'all have enough. What? But I'm going to get one of those, coops that you can get the eggs and stuff from the outside. One day. I can't believe how much they cost. Woo! You go for it, girl. And they're not even built well. That's what the sad part is. I could probably build something for a lot cheaper, but I'm not that good of a builder. I'll just try my best. Kind of quiet here today. I like it. It's Monday. What you doing? Oh, you trying to get some too? She doesn't share. You want me to get your own? I'll get you some. Look at that wetness and Lord have mercy. Alright. Yep, I'm gonna go get Jack his own, but she'll probably take that too. So. Pigs, man. You're all pigs. I can't believe y'all ate all that. Who got the most of it? Didn't look like you got much. Georgia. Are y'all playing? Water just made a loud puppy noise. Alright. I'll fill theirs up a little bit and then I'm gonna put the girls up for over here for a while. Somewhere different. Let the other place heal some. I'll go there and I'll lay down some, what do you call that white stuff? I don't know. I can't think right now. But it's the stuff that kills stuff. You know, that kind of stuff. I'm ready for a nap. I can't even think. I'm great. The hose don't fit. But yeah. So I'll fill the bucket up and then we'll put them in here for a while. Lime. That's what I'm trying to think about. I'm going to go there and I'm going to lime that area really good. And then I'm going to put the Mischief Earth down and let it sit there for about a month or so maybe or longer with nobody in there. Then I might switch the boys over there and then clean their area while the girls are something like that. Girls! Yeah. When I get tired, I don't think right. I've been working on a Shopify website, so trying to make my brain not as quick and reading and trying to do so much. Gosh, it's taking forever for this website. But it's for my other account. If you haven't went and seen it, it's just for jewelry and stuff. Yeah, I have another website I'm trying to build to help with the animal feed and stuff like that. And oh god, my back. And there's stuff, you know, extra stuff I need. I'm trying, man. So I'm gonna turn off the water. You know, I like to be able to have extra so I can buy their feed, their hay, if I need like fencing, medicines, anything, you know. This is gonna be my website for that. And I don't know if you're supposed to do a website for each channel, so I'm still trying to figure that one out. You know, I'm not computer that good with the computer. What are you doing? Huh? What you doing with that face? Huh? What's wrong, Lily? Oh, I gotta do y'all's area too. Clean this whole entire thing and give y'all another area. Yeah. No. See how quick I forgot? I don't know if I turned off water, but I think I did. But yeah. I'm gonna try to get some stuff on this channel too, on the Shopify. But like I said, I don't know if it's supposed to have two different Shopifys, or I can use the same one. So I'll have to figure that one out too. I try to ask my daughter and them, but I don't want to bother them too much, you know. She's trying to build her own thing too, so I try to do it on my own. I'm an independent woman. But look, they're all waiting. I think it's like 4:30, 5. And they're waiting. 5 o'clock. 5:30 feedings. Stripey, are you the first one? Look at my porch. Hers. This is crazy. Huh? Who's going to be the first one to get the food? Hello, Smokey. Are you going to come and introduce me? Don't slap it, please. He's like, what is that? What is it? Huh? What is it, Smokey? Don't slap me, please. Well, you trying to entertain? See what it is? Oh, look, they're all gonna come. Let's see. We can get them all to come be nosy. Oh, you're liking the camera, aren't you? Yeah, you'd like that. This is, that orange one back there is one that's a lot of these cats' mama that we've had fixed and everything. Look, they're all coming around. Hi, guys. That's the meanie who ate my bird, or my chicken. Ooh, it's a cat fight. But yeah, they're all waiting to be fed. That black and white one up there, he had another black and white one. His sister or brother, I can't remember. Oh God, gave me a heart attack. Somebody poked me in the butt. But yeah, we had two of those, but we don't know what happened to the other black and white one. They were twins. A lot of them disappeared. We don't know. Hi guys, I didn't see y'all up there. There's Motor and Mama Cat. She's a lot of these cats' mama too. She had like 2 litters here. What is that noise? But yeah, Honey poked me in the butt and startled the crap out of me. What are you guys doing? Are we playing? Are we playing? I gotta get y'all food to get y'all in the crate. Well, not in the crate, in the pen. Come on, flying around the house. I mean, fast. And almost hit me. That would have been a major thing for my oldness. How rude. But I love you. All right, let's go. She knows where the food's at. They all know where the food's at. Are we ready? Yes, it's me again. Only 6 weeks. And I love how they all get up there like that. Yep, I'm coming again. I'm about to have me some bacon and eggs. So let's go see what we got. I gotta turn it off while I unlock all this. It's too much for my one hand. Cooking my chicken eggs. This is how I cook bacon. The fast way. Throw it all in there and let it cook. Look at those pretty eggs for my chicken. I had to use them all because they're small. Hopefully they get bigger. And I forgot to say, this is the first time I've had bacon in probably about maybe 2 years. I usually eat turkey bacon, but I just wanted something different. We only got 1 egg, I think. Wait. I didn't look in this other one though. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Oh, somebody's protecting. Oh! Hello. Welcome to my world. I'm taking your egg. It's only 1 egg today. Boy, it's warm. So he must have been sitting on it. Oh, look, I'm stepping on y'all because you're up in my grill. Get out of my grill. I know. Pretty girl. Look how big I got to clean. Hey, that was my leg you just pecked. You don't want me to peck you back. Go, go, go. Little squatter. Ooh! Hello. What's wrong with you guys? Y'all all cranky. Alright. I'm got a lot more to do. I gotta fill y'all's water, clean everybody's water. Ow. Okay.